Hello friends, my name is Sanjay. Welcome to my channel GyaanShetra. Welcome back. In today's session, we are going to discuss about network. What is the network and how we can create a simple network, and what are the basic things that we need to create a network. So let's start. When we say a computer network, what comes in our mind? A picture like computers or devices which are connected together. So let's describe this. A computer network consists of two or more computers or network devices connected together via cable or Wi-Fi for transmitting data, sharing resources with each other by using a set of common communication protocol. That is called a network. As you can see in the image, like computers are connected together. And in the second image, as you can see, the devices which are connected directly to the network are network devices. So let's try and understand what are resources and what are the set of communication protocols. So what are resources? Anything that you share over a network becomes a resource, like your files and folders in your system. For example, your music files, your movie files, even softwares and data that you want to share with others becomes a resource for others which you want to share with them. And like as you can see in the image, the printer and scanner, these devices which are not connected directly to the network are the resources which you are sharing via your computer with others. So these are also the examples of resources. So let's try and understand what is a set of communication protocol. When we say protocols means a set of rules. So there are certain rules which needs to be followed by every network device in order to exchange information with each other easily. So when we say communication protocols assist variety of network devices to communicate with each other. The main function of these protocols is to exchange information between network devices regardless of their infrastructure and design disparities. When we say infrastructure or design disparities, that means it doesn't matter which company's device you're using. For example, let's say one system is of Mac and one system is of any other company, but they can easily connect to each other and exchange their information. How? By using a set of common communication protocol. And this job is done by the OSI reference model, which splits the communication process into 7 layers, which allows the information to pass on from one system to another. So all the networking technologies describe the network architecture within the OSI reference model. So now let's try and understand what are the basic things that we need to create a simple network between two computers. As you can see in the image, we got one laptop and one desktop. So how we can enable the communication between these two systems? So now what we'll do, we'll check first whether we got a LAN card in both the computers or not. Now when we say LAN card is also known as NIC card or network interface card. So the basic function of the network interface card is to allow the devices to connect to the network. Let's see how we can check whether we got a network interface card in our system or not. So when you move at the back of of your desktop, you will see a slot something like this, as you can see in the image. If you see a slot like this, that means you got a LAN card in your system or the network interface card. As nowadays everything is on board, so you don't you must be having a LAN card already installed in your system. If not, then don't worry. You can easily get a LAN card or the PCI LAN card for your desktop from the computer shop, or you can order online. And if you're not comfortable in opening the case of the desktop, you can go for a USB LAN card. In that case, you don't need to open the case of the desktop. Or if you want to go wirelessly, you can go for the same wireless PCI LAN card. But for that, again, you need to open the case of the desktop. But if you don't want to open the case of the desktop, you're not comfortable, don't worry. Again, you can go for a USB wireless LAN card. Now, same thing, we need to check at the side panel of your laptop. As you can see in the image, if you see a same slot like this, that means you got a LAN card in your laptop. Now we have checked that we got LAN card in our system, or in both the systems we have a LAN card. Now what else we need? As here right now we are talking about the wired communication. So we need a wire. So that wire is called a patch cable or a LAN cable, which you purchase from any computer shop. After purchasing, what do we need to do? We need to connect one end to the laptop and one end at the back of your desktop. So this way, what we did, we have made a simple network. Still they are not communicating, okay? Let's try and make them communicate with each other. How? Let's try and understand. As we don't have any server or any router in our network which will give the IP addresses to both the computers automatically. So here what we'll do, we'll give the IP addresses manually in both the computers. So assuming we got Windows computer, here we are talking about the Windows computer. So how we'll assign an IP address in the system? Let's see. We'll go to the control panel, and through the control panel you can go to Network and Sharing Center. In the Network and Sharing Center, you click on Change Adapter Settings. So there you will see the local area connection. Now right click on the local area connection and click on Properties. Now a new window will pop up. There you need to scroll down and look for IPv4. Select that and click on Properties. Now we need to choose the second option, which says use the following IP address, and type the IP address 192.168.1.12, and in subnet mask type 255.255.255.0. Rest we don't need to give any other information, just click on OK. OK and come out of everything. So in the desktop we have assigned the IP address. The same way we have to assign the IP address in the laptop, but make sure the IP address should be different. Like in desktop we have assigned 192.168.1.12, so we cannot assign the same IP address in the laptop. So we will assign 192.168.1.13, and same subnet mask, just click on OK. OK. Rest everything is OK. Bingo. Now what we did, we have given the name to both the computers. But now let's see whether they are communicating with each other or not. And let's try and understand how we can check the IP address of the system through the command prompt. So there is a way. You can go to command prompt, right click on the Windows icon, or you will see the command prompt with admin. Click on that, and now you will see a black window. There you need to type ipconfig/all. You can skip the /all part, but here why I'm telling you, I will tell you why. After typing ipconfig/all, hit enter. You will see a lot of information. There you will see the physical address as well as the IP address which you have assigned to the system. So through this screen you can check what is the physical address or the MAC address of your LAN card, and this way you can see what IP addresses is been assigned to the system. Now here we'll type the command ping, P-I-N-G, space, and the IP address of the second computer. As you can see, here we have IP address of 12 in the last. So we'll type 192.168.1.13 and hit enter. Once you will hit enter, you will see 4 replies. If you get proper replies, that means we are communicating with that. So this way, what we have done, we have enabled the network between these two computers. So guys, till now we have covered about network, resources, and the communication protocols. And what we did, we tried to create a network between two computers. So I hope you really enjoyed it. If you liked it, like and subscribe to my channel GyaanShetra and share it with others. Till then, take care and bye-bye.